Refugee law matters more today than it ever did. And what we're seeing right now in Europe is a desperate effort by states to come up with a framework within which to make the whole thing work. The amazing part is that the Refugee Convention actually has all the right pieces in it. It has a sensible definition, it has sensible balanced rights in it, and it has a commitment to a mechanism that would equalize burdens and responsibilities. It's only that third piece that needs to be changed. We don't need to rewrite the treaty. The convention is as valuable today as it was in 1951, but the mechanism that the drafters knew needed to be created can no longer be left on the sidelines. It is high time for the UN Refugee Agency and leading states to seize the issue and make it happen, not leaving it to regions, but showing global leadership in a way that will avoid the next Syrian crisis where refugees are left freezing in the cold and no place to go. That's not acceptable. For law students, refugee law, in my view, we all perhaps think this about our own field, but this is the ultimate field. It's a field where you can do international law in domestic courts, where international law frames the debate before judges who can make real decisions. So for law students, if you really want to be able to do international human rights in a practical way, there is nothing like it. The other piece to this is the ability to harness that understanding of refugee law for careers in the international sphere, in non-governmental organizations, for organizations within the UN and regional organizations. They are in desperate need of people with the expertise in refugee law to make the mechanisms work. So my advice to students is that this is a perfect place in which you can see international law being absolutely practical, absolutely meaningful, and absolutely justiciable. And that's a win-win-win that I hope Griffith and other law students will embrace and join us in the fight for refugee rights.